Hello everyone. Today we are at Viman Nagar and this is Eminence and we are about to see a 4.5 BHK sample flat, and I can assure you that you haven't seen this type of concept before. So let's see the sample flat. This is how we enter. This is your lobby space, entrance lobby space. At the entrance you have biometric lock system and here comes your very spacious and very unique living cum dining area. This is your living area, which is a very spacious one. This side is a 12-seater sofa set along with a center table. This is only your living area, which is as good as a master bedroom of a 4 BHK flat. See how spacious it is. And this is your dining area, which is also a very spacious one. You can say that the size of this dining area is as good as a master bedroom of a 3 BHK flat. It is a 8-seater dining table. Now we'll see the balcony of this flat. This is the balcony. A very huge one, and the plus point is it will be covered from top, so that's why I'm calling it as a balcony. You can fully utilize this. The privacy is well maintained. You can use it as a sitting area, a get together area, outdoor gym, a mini workstation, yoga area. Anything can be done in this huge space. So it's a full length balcony. It will connect you to the living room and 2 bedrooms, which I'll show you accordingly. You can see the points, the entry exit points of the 2 bedrooms also, and this is the entry exit point for your living room. Now let's see the other rooms of this flat. In this part we have created a family room. So this is the 0.5 part of the 4.5 BHK. So it's a very spacious one, very spacious family room. So it is just a concept. You can modify this. You can make it a gym or a gaming zone, a theater room. Anything can be done in this portion. You can put a wall also here or a glass partition as per your requirement. Now we'll see the kitchen. This is the kitchen next to your lobby space. A very spacious kitchen, having parallel platforms. This is the black granite platform. Sink provided. And this is the other part. And we will provide you lower cabinets also. As you can see, the color combination is very good with the platform and the tiles used in this flat. This is the dry balcony area. So this was your kitchen. Now this is the first bedroom of this flat. And let me tell you, every bedroom of this flat is a master bedroom because toilets are attached to all the bedrooms, and we also have a common toilet. So there are 5 toilets in this flat. This is a very huge master bedroom, as you can see, with wooden flooring. And this is the access to the terrace or balcony, which will connect you to living room again. Attached to it is a very huge washroom. This is as good as a bedroom size. And we will provide you a bathtub also, just like this, exactly like this, of the same company, same CP sanitary fittings which you are seeing in this sample flat video. See how luxurious it is. This is the shower area. A very spacious master washroom. Now we'll see the other rooms now. In your living, dining, entrance passage and the family room, we are providing you Italian marble. As you can see, Italian marble finishing. Now this portion has 3 bedrooms. This is the first one and the second master bedroom. Second bedroom of this apartment. Again a very huge bedroom. You can plan many things accordingly as per your requirements. It has access to the balcony again, as I said earlier. And this is the washroom attached to it. Shower area, toilet, wash basin. It also has wooden flooring. All the bedrooms has wooden flooring. Kitchen has a vitrified flooring of high quality, and living, dining, common passage, and your family room will have Italian marble. This is the second bedroom. You can call it a children bedroom. This is the washroom attached to it. And this side is a balcony provided. Every bedroom will have balcony. And now This side is the common washroom. You can call it a powder toilet. And this is the fourth bedroom of this apartment, fourth master bedroom of this apartment. Again, gallery provided. This is a common gallery for these two rooms, adjacent rooms. And this is the attached washroom. A very neatly designed, and this is a very unique concept as compared to the floor plans and all. In each room, in each floor, there is only 3 apartments, 3 same sized apartments and 2 high speed elevators. And it's a luxurious segment, super luxurious segment, a very premium one. And for this particular segment we are having some good offers for you, so please contact us. If you like this video, then click on the like button, share to your friends and relatives, and subscribe our channel for further updates. Our official number has been mentioned below this video. So we are waiting for your feedbacks and responses. Please contact us as soon as possible. So thank you so much for watching this video.